years of love and war, I've been broken down before, but I swore I'd never let go of my soul. Many times I crossed the line, I was lost but I could find every time the road leading home to my life, to my